change, but the recommendation has to be implemented. And let's say there is a recommendation to update the PNID number, update the tag number, then this has to go for another revision number 4. Now in the report, no further change.
So you will submit this.
Yeah.
After completion.
Yeah, now.
Which time?
This one. No, this one.
This
one.
So when they reply the HAZOP,
No. What I'm saying is that in this particular PID only, we are having 2 different tag number for equipment. Like for this trainer, in the description, it's a different tag number. In the it's a different tag number.
No.
Which
Here, this. If you see, the standard number is given here, 1703. Yeah.
What is the tag number?
No.
1701. 1703 is it, right? Where 103, yes.
I will consider this one. I will not consider this one. Yeah, of course.
no, that
Yeah, I will.
011.
No.
Both tag number.
We'll consider this one. So this is my job and take.
Pump number, and the description in the PNID.
description they will update as per tag number in the PNID.
Yeah.
Description
Put in the
tag number of PNID will not be changed.
Okay, you want to take a specific recommendation for this, or we have taken global recommendation? Yeah. So we'll go for.
If you put global, they will not.
No, don't worry. No. I can put it here. Review.
So as per them, they said okay.
And update.
Correct.
Update the tag number.
So that mistake will remain as it
Instrument
should be.
and equipment. PNID. Okay, I have taken it. Okay, guys. So this is my job. I will do it. Our last node is a polymer.
Second last.
Which one? Was...
This filter.
Okay, you want to do it? Okay, no problem. So second last, as per Imran, polymer, hopper, preparation, storage tank, and pump to this one. So guys, let us come back in the PNID. What is the PNID number? PNID number is 18 number. Okay. So this, partially we have seen